It's Glenn at Mad Racing Parts. Back with you again. I want to expand on our 1/8 inch temperature sensor for liquid temperatures. And obviously, if you're going to take one of these and try to measure the oil temperature in your engine or maybe in your transmission, you'll need some way to fasten that, which for a lot of guys, can't do welding or don't want to pull the engine apart or the pan off the tranny. We have a solution that works in a lot of cases. It really helps guys out because most of your fabricated pans, like this oil pan, have these ORB fittings or plugs in them. And in the case of this pan, they're put in there to allow access to the rail bolts inside the engine. But like in the case of the transmission, this is just a drain plug. So if we wanted to measure this temperature in the transmission or in this pan, we would just take out one of these ORB plugs, right? And we have an adapter, and the adapter screws right in to the same hole that the drain plug was in, and it is tapped for our 1/8 inch liquid temperature sensor. So buy this little guy and a temperature sensor, and as long as you have -8 ORB ports in your pans, you can get that right in there without any tools or without any special tools or without any welding. Thanks a lot for looking at it.